Hey everyone, we are going to be talking about fractions today. I know you've been working on it, so I want to show you something that I did. So I got my mail the other day with all the advertisements where I go through the coupons, and I started thinking, wow, like I could divide these things up, like they could become fractions. So I made a picture of different things that were divided or how I could divide it. So I have this couch right here, and if you look, it's one whole couch, but it has two equal seats. So there's a fair share for one and a fair share for another person on this couch. I have a cheesecake right here. So it's one whole cheesecake. Now, I don't know if you can see it, but it's divided into 12 equal pieces. So I could share this with 12 people if I wanted to. But if I wanted to just split it in half, if there's 12 pieces, I'm wondering how many pieces you'll get if you get half the cake. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6 pieces in half of a cheesecake. Okay, over here I have some salmon that's on sale. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of salmon. Now, if I was going to share this with my husband, so it's just dividing it in half, just 2 people are sharing it, we'd each get 2 full slices and then a half a slice. So 2.5 slices is half of this package. And then I just like this picture down here because I see 2 whole kiwis and then I see half of a kiwi. So there's fractions all around us. So when you get your coupons in the mail this week, you should look at them and see if you see things that you can divide between your family or things that maybe already are divided for you. So let's talk about this. This is Rocco's favorite snack, the zebra cake. Now the package, the whole package has 2 zebra cakes in it. So if I said, Rocco, you can only have half the package, how many zebra cakes would he get if he could only have half of this package? He could only have 1 cake, right? Because if I cut this in half right here, you can't even see, but there. 1/2 is 1 zebra cake. So I bought these cookies, the fudge stripe cookies. Now, and I like these when we have a fire pit, and I like these with my s'mores. So the boys will be very happy that I bought these at the store. So we're going to divide them up. So I have 6 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cookies. And if I'm going to share them with another person, let's say I'm going to share them with Miss Farley, this is what I would do. I need to know what half of this stack is. So I can go 1 for Miss Farley, 1 for me, 1 for Miss Farley, 1 for me, 1 for Miss Farley, 1 for me. So there's 6 total cookies. So our whole is 6. Half of the cookies would be equal to 3 cookies. Miss Farley and I both have a fair share because we each have 3 cookies. Okay. If I want to share some more cookies, this time I am going to share 10 cookies. Now, if you look right there, you can tell that stack is not equal, but there are 10 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 cookies. So I am going to share them again. 1 for Miss Farley, 1 for me, 1 for Miss Farley, 1 for me, 1 for Miss Farley, 1 for me. 1 for Miss Farley, 1 for me, 1 for Miss Farley, and 1 for me. So our whole is the 10 cookies. How many cookies are in half? What is half of 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is half of 10. Now, Here's my problem. I actually have 11 cookies. And if I was sharing them with Miss Farley, it would not be fair if I ate this whole cookie. What could I do to make it equal? So I have 10 cookies here. Now that's a fair share. 5 and 5 is fair. What should I do? Okay, I'm going to cut it in half. So now, what is a fair share? What is half of 11? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a half. That's a fair share. I think I solved my problem. Well, I hope you guys have a great day. Do some hungry math at home. You can show me your video when you're done. You could use goldfish. You could use any snack you like. You don't even have to use snack if you don't want to do hungry math. Show me some Legos. Show me how you divide them up into equal pieces so that you're sharing them equally and that everybody has a fair share. But since it is hungry math, I'm going to have a half of a cookie. Love you guys. Have a great, great day.